In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a video background in Canva. Whether you're looking to create a professional presentation or simply want to add a creative touch to your videos, removing the background can make all the difference. So let's dive into this simple process that you can easily follow along with at home. First things first, you'll need to open Canva and access your video project. If you haven't already uploaded your video, go ahead and do so by clicking on the Uploads tab, then selecting your video file. Once your video is uploaded, you should see it in your project space ready to be edited. Next, click on your video to select it. You'll know it's selected because a blue outline will appear around the video frame. This step is crucial because the tools we need to use will only become available once the video is selected. Now, with your video selected, look towards the top of the Canva interface. Here, you'll find a variety of editing options. Among these options is the BG Remover tool, which stands for Background Remover. This is the feature we'll be using to remove the background from your video. Simply click on BG Remover. It's important to note that the Background Remover tool is a premium feature. This means it's only available to Canva Pro users or those on a paid plan. If you're using the free version of Canva, you won't have access to this tool. However, if you're serious about video editing and graphics design, upgrading to Canva Pro might be a worthwhile investment. Once you've clicked on the BG Remover, Canva will automatically start processing your video to remove the background. This might take a few moments, depending on the length and complexity of your video. Be patient during this process. Once it's complete, you'll notice that the background has been removed, leaving your subject in focus. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the background from your video using Canva. You can now proceed to add new backgrounds, overlays, or any other creative elements to enhance your video further. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different videos and settings to get the hang of it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!